Hi, this is Derek Murphy. I'm really excited that you signed up for the book formatting templates, and I wanted to make you a special offer just in case you need some extra help. The free formatting template package has 5 templates with 5 different design options, and really they're everything that you need because you can use your own fonts that match your genre and figure out how to do it on your own. However, if you want to save some time and do it a little easier, I made a video tutorial course where I'll really walk you through the process step by step and show you how I design books for CreateSpace and Kindle. And it also includes a master package of 25 extra templates for children's books or poetry books or all kinds of different genres, nonfiction and fiction. So normally that package is $47. It's been selling for a while, and the videos I've got on YouTube have had over almost 2 million views. So as a special thank you, welcome bonus, that package is going to be only $7 if you join today. That way I know that you're getting all the help and feedback and support that you need, and also saving a bunch of money. That's kind of just something I want to do to kind of welcome you to my community. If you're not familiar with me or my work, I'm going to go to a coffee shop. I'm in Bangkok right now. I'm going to work on my novel for a while. I'm mostly just writing these days and not designing books anymore, which is why I've been putting out all these resources to help other authors to save time and frustration, because I know formatting is such an important piece of publishing, but it can be really difficult to do it on your own. So I hope that you enjoy the formatting templates. Let me know if you have any questions, and good luck with your project.